Hi, my name's Anya Gupta and I did War, and I'm in third period honors computer programming. So the way that the game works is you press start and you press hit, and then you see the two cards from each deck. They go into the middle, and the card with the higher value, both of the cards go to the pile that had the highest value. So in this case, the computer had two had a queen, which is greater than a 2, so both of these cards would go into the computer. And then you'd press hit again, and then it would continue to evaluate the value of the cards until one person has won. At that point, what you would do is you would press play again, and everything would restart. But you cannot press play again until you have finished a round. And then some extra features of the game are that you can choose what mode you want to play in, and you can change these throughout the game, and they won't change back to the original when you press hit. It's a pretty lengthy game, but you can have fun with it. Just like pick your modes and then see who wins. Right.